Understanding your case search results in Minnesota Court Records Online. Once you select a case, the case details are shown. We'll start by looking at the case details for this civil case. Now we see our case details or register of actions. The overview section at the top of the case details shows current financials or upcoming hearings, if applicable. Case information provides overall information on the case and can be used to confirm the case you have selected is correct. This information is like what you see on the search results page. Party information shows the parties with connections in the case and their associated representation, attorneys or self-represented litigants. Case assignments displays current judicial case assignments and prior case assignments when applicable. Case events display in reverse chronological order and summarize key case events with associated documents that can be reviewed and downloaded. Hearings also display in reverse chronological order. This section shows current, rescheduled, and prior hearings with judicial officer, location, and hearing results, if any. At the bottom of our screen, the financial information shows any case-related financials for all participants involved in the case. Let's go back to our search results and select a criminal case for some additional fields. You can see that there is an active warrant on the case, indicating that someone on this case has an active warrant. If we scroll down, we can see the warrants section will display all active and inactive warrants on the case. The charges section lists the current and prior charges with details for each charge. Interim conditions ordered on a case will also appear if applicable. Note that expired conditions appear in lighter type than current conditions. When information in the case details appear in a lighter type, that means that information has been amended or is expired. Another section that we want to take a look at is the Dispositions section. These display in reverse chronological order and show court decisions, dispositions, and pleas, including amended pleas if applicable. One other section that is not shown but could appear if needed by the case is a bail bond section showing the active and inactive bond and bail information associated with the case. Note that each section of the case details has a jump to section link in the lower right corner. This allows you to quickly move to any available section for the case. You can also click the Back to Top button to quickly move to the beginning of the page, and that button will move with you as you scroll. Remember to always use the navigational breadcrumbs to return to case search or case search results. Do not use the browser's back arrow.